You are watching Daily Driver. In this episode, we will drive the 2021 Cupra Leon. The new Cupra Leon stands out from its predecessors with a fresh new appearance that includes cutting-edge technology. The Cupra Leon 2021 is a next-generation car with technical advancements that are sure to shake up the automobile industry. It is poised for success, building on the success of its brothers, including the most current 2020 Cupra Leon hot hatch. The 2021 Leon gets a new external design that includes complete LED lighting, additional color possibilities, a customized digital cockpit with a unique mode, keyless entry, and a slew of other fantastic features that make it one of the most eye-catching offers in its class. It also has a diverse choice of powertrain options, allowing consumers to choose one that best suits their needs. The 2021 Cupra will compete with other high-end hot hatches such as the Renault Megane RS, thanks to its mixed hybrid engine options and great features. This automobile was clearly meant to entice enthusiasts based on its look. This car features a fresh appearance that blends cutting-edge technology to set it apart from its predecessors. The 2021 Leon's exterior is more than adequate to compete with popular vehicles such as the Honda Civic Type R. The automobile features a beautiful grille that bears the characteristic Cupra logo on its front, which is visible from the fascia. The massive air intakes and wide front wing, which contrast with the color and give it a stronger aspect, are also notable external elements. It has complete LED lighting as standard, which increases visibility even on the darkest of highways. The 2021 model comes in a handful of color selections for a smooth finish and to give personality to the automobiles. Cupra Leon comes standard with urban silver, midnight black, candy white, and magnetic tech, the four soft and metallic paint hues that come standard. The new Cupra Leon offers two color options, Graphene Grey and Desire Red, as well as two matte options, Petrol Blue Matte and Magnetic Tech Matte, for its loyal fans. Stepping into the new Cupra Leon will make you feel like you're in a premium supercar. But even before you enter, the light that shines on the floor in front of you will greet you. The interior of the 2021 Cupra Leon has a sporty and sophisticated look, which is complemented by the standard 10-inch infotainment system, which includes voice and gesture controls, as well as 3D online navigation, all controlled on the Retina display, and is compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The broad digital cockpit is also available inside the Cupra Leon. Digital cockpit is totally customizable, unlike other current cockpits. Aside from the usual driving modes, the digital cockpit also has a new sporty view that displays data like power, torque, RPM and turbo pressure. The Cupra Leon's driver and passengers will like the large cabin, which is outstanding for a hatchback. You'll have no issue bringing the family on any excursion or lugging stuff with the cabin space in the base model. However, the Sportster variant, which adds roughly 30 liters of baggage capacity, is recommended if you need extra internal room. The Cupra Leon's engine is where things start to get interesting. This car is available with a variety of engine options, ranging from traditional gas engines to more advanced hybrid powertrains. As a result, there's something for everyone. The base 2021 Cupra Leon is equipped with a 1.4-litre TSI engine that produces up to 148 horsepower. This is paired with a 114 horsepower electric motor and a 13 kilowatts per hour lithium-ion battery pack to create a combined peak output of 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Between the warm hatch and the hot hatch is the Cupra Leon. The powertrain of the 2021 Cupra Leon is superior to that of the Volkswagen Golf GTI, which has a 2-litre TSI turbo engine that produces 241 horsepower but only 273 pound-feet of torque. Aside from the hybrid powertrain, also known as e-hybrid, The new Cupra Leon is available with up to 3 turbocharged, traditional injection, 4-cylinder, 2-liter TSI petrol counterparts, 180 kilowatts, 221 kilowatts, and the most powerful engine, which produces up to 228 kilowatts and has a new function called 4Drive. Similarly, the 4Drive technology, which is only available on the Sportster model, uses the vehicle and driver inputs to supply the proper amount of power to the engine. Regardless of the power plant you choose, the manufacturer has changed the chassis and handling for the 2021 model year to improve the car's performance. The progressive steering system on the 2021 Cupra Leon provides the car with exceptional agility on practically any terrain. The steering feedback is quick and simple to manipulate. The Cupra Leon sits 25mm lower than a standard Leon to improve handling even further. This lowers the center of gravity. The Cupra Leon e-hybrid has a top speed of 140 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 6.7 seconds. In terms of 2021 contemporary cars, the new Cupra Leon has an excellent safety record and is perhaps the safest. The Leon is equipped with some of the most modern safety features, all of which are designed to keep you and your passengers safe. Cupra Leon's newest and most impressive safety feature is emergency assistance, which simply employs visual and auditory warning noises to ensure that the driver's eyes remain locked on the road. If the driver ceases blinking, the function tells the automobile to come to a complete stop before contacting emergency services via the call system. The new Cupra Leon also has functions such as adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, lane assist, predictive cruise control, and travel assist to make it easier to arrive at your destination. The side and exit assistance functions, on the other hand, use blind spot technology to detect what your eyes can't see and warn you when someone gets too close to your car, which is useful if you're planning on driving away while in a crowded parking lot. Overall, the Cupra Leon has a lot to offer, and there are a lot of things to like about it.